Good morning, everyone. We want to welcome you all to another episode of the Black Market Podcast, presented by Hack the Markets. I am one of your co-hosts, AC, also known as the Market Oracle.
Y'all already know who I am. I just go by the Market Prodigy now.
Okay.
Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Got Raheem the Dream checking in.
What's going on, everybody? It's Ken 4K Ken. We trying this new one out for the day. So
4K
4K.
Ken.
4K.
Hey, that
He said,
4K
my boy
Ken
said,
hard.
Yes, sir.
y'all, I know y'all see me.
4K Ken, that's hard. Hey,
And,
then he be talking about he got four racks on him.
Who's
Well,
myself?
Hey,
you can pick.
hey, y'all can see them profits from a mile away. What?
I'm telling you. Too many puns. Too many puns. I like that. 4K K. 4K Ken, rather. I like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like it too. All right, and I'm Pierre, alias in progress.
Alias in progress. All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get you something. We helped out. We helped out 4K Ken. So now we gotta
Yeah,
we gotta
got
help
me
you
right.
out now.
This time.
Sir.
We're gonna come up with something. I think I can get something for you. But in other news, I got one
What's
for
hot
you
in
guys.
what's hot in the streets, man? I know we got something to talk about.
Hey, I
We
got
What's
something
going
real
on with Mr.
interesting that I saw.
Regeneron himself? What
Right.
Mr. Regeneron been up to?
Hey,
Who going first? Because I want to know what the heck happened in stock market yesterday.
all right.
I was just skipping, boy. I was
Who
skipping,
want to talk
making my
about it? Who
profit.
want to talk about it?
Woo.
Who wants to talk about it?
I'm too pumped up. I can't talk about it. Well, I'm emotional about what happened yesterday.
You're emotional.
I made profits yesterday, but I feel like they cut some of my profits. And I'm upset about it. I want my at 9:31 today. So I tell you, I better get my money back.
Right.
I ain't gonna lie, it looked like it hit a reset button or something yesterday.
So
I'm looking at everything, 10-year yield. I mean, I'm like,
yeah,
what the heck is going on?
yeah,
I'm
everything.
asking.
I mean,
I'm
crypto market,
asking.
everything was down.
I thought it was a sign from God. I was like, boy, what did I do?
Exactly. There's nothing going right now.
Thought he was getting punished for doing something wrong.
God done touched the stock market. Oh
Right.
my goodness. And he's liquidated it.
Well, that's the only reason I ruled maybe that part out, because I was like, well, this is affecting everybody, not just me. Now last week when I took that real bullish stance on Virgin Galactic, and as soon as I got in on it, it started going down. Now I did think that one was just for me, but
Yeah. It probably was. They probably heard you and they said, yeah, let's go ahead and screw you real quick.
man, I saw a vertical red for about 30 minutes straight.
Oh, sir, buddy.
Yeah, I take it that you didn't hold on to that one too long.
Hey, that right there, that's that you ain't living right. Stock pick right there.
You start reevaluating what you were losing. That's a bill right there. There goes a car note.
Exactly.
I was slick enough to kind of stage in my positions on it. Now I ain't go all in on
Yeah.
it. It's just the fact that it went against me when I thought that bad boy was about to go the other way.
Yeah, that's what we like to talk about too, is when when you don't feel like you have the most confidence, kind of stage in. Definitely a concept we like to talk about.
Yeah.
So you don't
But
go ahead and lose your shirt.
who got the tea on yesterday?
Well, I got a little information on it. So seem like we got Regeneron Joe out here talking. And he is now trying to rejuvenate not only himself, but the tax structure. And he is trying to hit us with more capital gains taxes. He's trying to hike those rates. Looks like he's looking at something around 39%, a little over 39%.
Is he coming after the poor people like me, or he going after the rich people?
Capital
What's the
gains.
capital gain?
Anybody
What's
that
the
got
capital gain? Let the folks out here know what's the capital
Right.
gain is.
If you got capital gains, he's coming after you.
the current rate on the capital gains right now?
Hey, he said, "You know who you are."
Exactly.
Mhm.
You know
Yeah, see,
exactly who you are. So, hey,
with the
that's why we saw that big sell off though. I mean, like it was
here's my
huge.
hand.
They were hitting everything. They were hitting everything.
I mean, I'm looking. I'm like, the Nasdaq is dropping, S&P is dropping. I'm like, ain't nowhere for me to run. I'm glad I had some money sitting on the side, man. I just went to go. I went to the first technology stock I could find and just started buying puts on it. I bought some puts
Yeah.
on Micron to try to hedge some of my bets.
Hey, let me see what Nasdaq is. The Nasdaq gonna break that support? I mean, I need to check it out today. See what's going on.
Man, if the Nasdaq breaks that support, then you know it's gone. It's coming
Hey,
down.
hey,
It's
look,
gonna
I'm
be
gonna
the
be
top
right
boys
behind.
that's coming
I'm gonna be
down
right
too.
behind it, like
Hey,
this, behind it, just like this.
it's moving. It'll move sideways after hours the whole night. And the
Oh
whole
yeah.
so far this morning, it's a straight line. So I don't know. They're saying that the futures prices are up, pointing to a rebound, but you take that with a grain of salt.
Right.
Hey man, what is the current rate of capital gains?
Pierre, we see those messages, man.
Yeah, I don't, for some reason my questions aren't going through. Type them, or maybe I hold a sign. I have a question.
I don't know. We're gonna have to research that one.
Hey, well,
Yeah, I really
we
don't
do
know.
need to take it up. Let's see. You got it over there, Pierre?
Oh, let me see.
Yeah, to be honest, I really don't know what they are, but I know you're trying to hike those boys. So
Nah, I was hoping
now, to
So
be
somebody.
honest, now the way that they got the capital gains is short term and long term. I know that much. Like the short term goes off of like whatever your tax rate would be for that year. So you made 50,000, you would fall into whatever tax bracket that is, and that would be whatever you had to pay in taxes. Whatever 50,000 equates to. So
Mhm.
that's how it
So
goes for that. But the long term, they actually have what is it? I think long term, I think is more like 10 to 15%, something like that. I don't know. All the way
yeah,
up to
so
maybe like 20%. But now he's talking about 39%. I know it's not 39% for sure.
Yeah, that even sounds high.
oh man.
yeah, they're
Yeah,
saying that short term is ranging from 10% to 37%.
Yeah, that's the short term. Yeah, that's because that's what you actually make in that
Yeah,
year.
and just to back up just a little bit, when we're talking about the capital assets or and capital gains, they're just talking about when you sell a capital asset for more than you paid for it, that the result is a capital gain. So your capital assets include stocks, bonds, precious metals, jewelry, and real estate. And the tax you'll pay on the capital gain depends on how long you held the asset before selling it. So that's how they get into that short term and long term. So
So
if you go ahead.
I'm about to say this is all boiling down to something, So the crypto, all this stuff is selling off. These people are like, hey, we don't need to make any more money, so we don't get, I guess punished anymore. So with them taking all that, you know, them going ahead and taking all that sell out, who are the people that's gonna be left? Does this mean that now the new retail traders, can actually get in on this money now?
Yeah, that's basically what happens. If you play
Yeah.
it right, it definitely gives you
Hey,
like a good feel, like a good time to get in. Like if you're paying attention. A lot of
if you
retailers
got
don't pay
money
attention.
left over from that sell off,
Oh
have you,
man.
you better not be going long while they doing this sell off.
Yeah, you better just be either sitting on the sideline or know how to short something.
Yeah,
It's,
I'm
it's
not.
okay to sit on the sideline. You don't have to be in the stock market all 24/7.
Right. Be patient. Be comfortable in your trade.
It is
Oh,
definitely
man.
okay to be on the sideline sometimes.
Yeah, I know. I
So
have a hole burning in my pocket, boy, and that money be in my pocket. I gotta do something with it.
hey. Hey, so y'all keeping y'all crypto? How long y'all let y'all Bitcoin go?
I'm still boycotting to me.
Let it ride. Because I'm saying with Dogecoin, I'm trying to be Doge funded.
Hey, Bitcoin, what, about 50 racks right now?
It was.
came
It's
down.
so it's come down a little bit.
Hey, Hey, can you short crypto?
Yeah.
What platform do you use, Raheem, to short?
Well, the chart I use Thinkorswim to chart up. But as far as if we talking about shorting this crypto, I shorted on MetaTrader 4. Good MT4, man.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's gone down
speaking of this
now to about
crypto,
49,000, 49.8.
Oh, dang. So,
Oh,
hey, I
wow.
think 42 is a special number.
Okay.
I don't know.
I've had to
No,
chart it up
I'm out there.
and everything at like 46, and then from 46 to 55 seems to be a gap it likes to fluctuate in.
Sound
Speaking
like we're gonna
about,
be able to
hey,
get some swing trades on that, ain't we?
hey, I got something for you guys. Talking about
What you
this
got?
crypto.
Mm-hmm.
It's a new one out here. Guess what it is called?
Prodigy coin.
Nope. It's
Close.
called Rocket. Spelled how you would imagine it to be spelled.
Rocket.
To the moon.
What? Hey, watch out. It's coming for you.
Hey,
Oh, my goodness.
Did you catch that?
I'm telling you. Hey, so basically,
You get that approved.
Right.
hey, it surged 634% on some extreme mania. Basically, it's gonna provide an NFT marketplace for 18 plus content, and so they're basically putting porn on the blockchain. So now porn is on the blockchain, so everything is on the blockchain now. So
Wow.
hey,
Well,
I'm about to
porn
put the
is
vaccine on the blockchain too. Might as well. We mixing and
porn is
matching,
a
dipping and
billion
dabbing,
dollar
mixing and
industry.
mingling, all that type stuff. What else we gonna put on the blockchain?
Hey, porn is a $1 billion industry.
It is, and that's why the coin went up over 634%.
So what are you supposed to do with this coin? You can only buy like
You're gonna use it to buy stuff from the NFT marketplace from this porn place, and yeah, it's called Come Rocket. So
Rocket.
spelled
Oh,
exactly how
man.
you would expect it to be spelled.
Wow. Well, you said it's a $1 billion industry, man. Let me get me some of that coin right now.
I'm
all
telling
right.
you,
Pierre,
Right
you gonna
now.
put some of that in your wallet, man?
walk around with it.
I might as well, man. Look, the blockchain is the future, man. You know, I think you can't leave any stone unturned. You know, uh, invest in every technology is out there.
That is true.
I mean,
That's
yeah,
big facts right there.
I agree with
All
you on
right.
that one. I definitely
We
agree
gonna
with
go
you on
on.
that one.
We gonna go on CNBC. You know how they be exposing people. The first thing they gonna ask you a real question. Then they gonna say, we've noticed that you've got half of your portfolio is with CoinRocket. Come Rocket. Can you explain your fascination with this? Boy, they trip me
It's
out when they
almost like
do
that
that.
Safe Moon though. Safe Moon doesn't have anything to do with porn, but Safe Moon, that's another one that a lot of people are trying to get on. That's saying that it's going to the moon.
Safely.
I think you have to go through like some type of trust to actually get into it though. You can't just easily buy it like how you can do Bitcoin and all these other coins.
Oh, they trying to make it exclusive.
Yeah.
Look, they're trying to
And
get
then there's
those
also a
crypto
penalty
rocket
if you
crypto wallets.
sell it. It's
Hey,
a
those
penalty if you
exclusive
sell it
coins be
early.
coming up.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Oh. What y'all think about Intel saying that this chip shortage is gonna last? They're predicting about 2 more years.
I'm trying to figure out what's the basis of the chip shortage? I know they're behind the 8 ball or whatever on manufacturing. Maybe the demand went up, but is it that they just can't make it fast enough, or can they ramp up production, but they don't have the raw materials to be able to meet their numbers or their quota that they're aiming for?
That's
Yeah.
a big
So
question.
Yeah, twofold.
so the thing is, it says the industry is now challenged by a shortage of foundry capacity, substrates, and components. So that's why they're saying that we expect it will take a couple of years for the ecosystem to make significant investments to address these shortages. So that's the reason that they're saying that they're seeing this shortage.
Resource.
I don't know how you really even really kind of battle that if it's a resource issue. Like that's literally just
Yeah.
materials.
So that's the
Yeah.
reason why people are pouring so much money into trying to get these sites up. Because I think Intel was already pouring like what 20 billion into those two sites or something crazy into those two sites into Arizona.
Yeah,
So
Gigafactory, man.
yeah, so yeah, those
Arizona getting
foundry
them
and all
all.
that stuff, the components just not there.
Um, so yeah, I know what that means. Y'all better go see what AMAT doing. That applied materials.
But Biden had 50 billion. He had 50 billion allocated to the semiconductor industry. So we'll see how that goes.
So,
Oh yeah, that's right too.
so any of these companies that are mining stuff like that, we're probably gonna see an increase with them.
Could be
DNN, DNN.
Hmm.
Hey,
DNN,
Hey man, that was I said that way back, man. It's a
DNN.
little baby
Yeah,
stock right now. It's sitting around now.
it might not be it might not be a baby long, man. It's time to grow up now.
Yeah. Mhm.
Mm.
APL, what's that on? Hey, I know you were telling me something the other day about they was making some vampire people.
Yeah, I might as well get
oh,
into it.
Human Twilight.
Right.
Yes.
I'm Team
So
Werewolf. Can I be a werewolf?
You going to
anything you put
jail?
your mind to. Sounds like something straight out of science fiction. So, at the beginning of the pandemic last year, you had a lot of research that was going into COVID. Uh, People were donating blood. So, one interesting thing that scientists discovered is that uh, blood from young mice had miraculous effects on the brain of elderly mouse. So, it basically improved the brain older mouse from younger mice.
Oh man.
So yeah, so of course companies are like, astonished. They're like, oh my gosh, this is a breakthrough. So there's a Spanish company called Grifols. Uh, they offered like millions of dollars to get all the blood donations that was supposedly going for COVID for a treatment. Uh, they basically bought uh, this company that was doing that research for $146 million. Uh, that was
Dang.
doing the research.
About
Yeah,
a lot of
it was
blood.
right.
That's
It
crazy.
Yep.
was founded. It was founded by a Stanford University called Tony Whiskore.
Okay.
Um, but this this
So they really they putting all this money. They finna experiment on some people.
That's
that's
what it
where it's
sounds
going.
like.
It's
That
got to be. Hey, they better not put on that product. Not tested on animals. You
Right.
know how they put
Oh
no
my
animals for
god.
her. Oh, hey, this is how y'all found out about it.
Exactly. Hey,
And I mean,
Regeneron Joe gonna sign up for this one.
product.
We gonna see
that's
Regeneron
where
Joe, man. That boy gonna turn. He gonna get on that television and start looking like he 50 again.
So,
Oh man. You
so
gonna be first
basically,
in line.
so
Everybody
they're
gonna be
saying when
lining up.
humans do it, we're not going to be getting it from mice, obviously. So they're trying to get it from younger people, blood from
so
younger people to make older people.
that's what uh, people are speculating.
So what
They're
is this?
saying that
Like they're recycling it? It's like a
Uh,
recycle system.
it's a thing called neuroscience, where they study the effects of um, how blood can impact aging. So, I mean, feel free to do more research on neuroscience,
Hmm.
but they want to understand how this can possibly mitigate or improve arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and
Oh,
other illnesses
Hey,
related to human aging.
I just want to know one thing. Why do they always compare human to mice? Like, how,
Yeah,
like
that's a good
why is
question.
mice out of anything?
the testing of it is probably similar. I mean, in the function, maybe the I don't know nervous system or something like that.
I don't know, but why not? Why not monkey?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Why not a monkey?
Because it
Them
feel like
jokers
they
there.
want that
I
human.
don't know, man. They just doing anything,
I
man.
mean,
I
maybe
got
they more,
suspect about it.
mice are also
Suspect.
way. I mean, they reproduce way faster, so maybe
Oh
they've got
yeah,
more
that
of a
too.
I mean that, or maybe it's just people like we consider mice as rodents, so we don't think it's bad that you testing a mouse. But boy,
Oh
you
yeah.
start doing that kind of testing on a dog. Oh boy,
Oh
dogs are family members, boy.
Yeah, yeah.
Look,
You
we
gonna
are
have the five-legged dogs
animal,
out here with
we are animal friendly.
we
Yeah, they
are
be like,
pet. We are
hair
I
on
don't
one
care how
side and
pet.
good
hair.
your product is. You did what to that dog?
Man,
Hey, he walking around, man. He only got one leg.
Damn.
PETA,
Messed
over
up.
harming
PETA's
the
gonna come after you.
Man, I
Yeah,
tell you,
they ain't
man.
gonna allow
You
that
know,
to happen.
they show that feed the children commercial. That don't really hit me that much. But when they show that one with them dogs, boy, I, I be about to
They be on
get
that
my
bad boy looking
checkbook
so
out, man.
sad.
man.
But at the
Hey,
same time, I'm like, man, half of these dogs just looking regular. Like they just putting it in a slow motion and then trying to make it seem like they just sad.
Hey,
Whoever
you better
built,
watch it.
they
Hey,
thought they had a bomb product. They said, "Oh, we got it. We got it."
We know we got them. Look at these dogs. They
hmm.
you
look like
better
they're
watch
just
it, boy.
crying,
Hey,
just boo-hooing.
Peter got some goons out there, boy. You better watch out.
Look,
I'm not out here beating up on dogs, so I don't care.
But I wanted to add that this Spanish company is trading on the Nasdaq. You can actually buy shares.
Oh,
Oh, I could buy this
Yeah,
company. So I could
Oh,
right.
buy
that's
blood. I could buy the blood company.
what's the ticker?
I'm about to
Uh,
say
Vampires.
GRFS is on the Nasdaq for 1860.
GRFS. Hey, they
Oh,
got the bread now. They got the
Hey,
money, so I don't know if
okay,
it came from the cartel, but
right.
they got the money.
I wonder if they can turn me into a gargoyle. You know them, man. I bet they can turn you into a lot of different things.
hey, they actually went up for some reason. I got this thing charted up already. I was looking at it and didn't even know what it
Oh
was.
man, you in that blood stuff. Look
Wait,
at
so
you.
you wanted to be a
Look
vampire
at you.
way earlier?
He
Yeah,
said,
that's
man, let me
called
go ahead and get in
synchronicity.
on this vampire stuff.
I was like,
This vampire stock.
why I got this thing with charts on it already?
Oh man.
Man, they can do something to get people where it'll bring back your spring in your knees or help your back not hurt or something like that.
Hey, so what
Hey,
y'all think
Hey,
about? So
that's
what if it
next
turns
level
somebody
right
into
there.
like
That's a
that
cheat code.
what if it turns somebody into like that vampire in Brooklyn?
It's my Julius.
And now we gotta have Blade and all that shit out here.
Stop.
Oh
man,
man.
I tell
Man,
you what, boy,
130. I don't want to be a vampire.
Hey, that's
I'm gonna
gonna
be
be the
on it.
Walking Dead. That's what's gonna make the Walking Dead come around.
Yeah,
Shout
you
out to
right.
Walking Dead. If y'all hadn't seen that, man, I'm on season 9 right now.
It's 9 seasons of that.
It's
I
10.
heard it like 20 seasons of that
20
bit.
seasons.
I think they on season.
And
Was it
vampire
season
stories
10?
so much to have 20
Yeah,
seasons.
they on season 10 right now. It's still filming.
Dang.
Okay, so tell me this then. It's like multiple Walking Deads, right? It's not
No,
just one. Cause
it's
I've
just
seen
one
like,
Walking Dead.
but I'm saying like, isn't it
Multiple
like
seasons.
like the walk? It was like I've seen something else. It was like The Walking Dead, then it was like The Walking Dead something else or something
Originally,
like
there
that.
was a movie. There was a movie, and it became a series.
But Walking Dead just by itself, it airs on AMC, but that's their. It's just one brand for Walking Dead, and they're
Okay.
on season 10
See, I've
right now.
seen some other things. It was like Walking
You might
Dead
be
and it
trying
had
to.
like some
You might
extra
have some
stuff.
people trying to trying to ride the wave of it or whatever,
Okay.
throw you off a little bit just to
Okay.
capitalize. But yeah, it's just one Walking Dead.
I'm gonna have to
I
look
think I
into
Am
that
Legend
though,
was kind
man.
of like the same thing, a spinoff, in my opinion.
Good,
Hey,
man.
that
I
was a
don't know.
good
I'm about to
movie,
look it
man.
up real quick.
Man, that's a commitment. Those things, 26.
Hey man, we got the mutations coming. Mutation coming, starting with the COVID vaccine.
Johnson.
That's
Don't
what
y'all,
really kicked it off.
Hey,
That
don't
started off
y'all
all
say
of
nothing bad about these COVID vaccines after I done got my second shot.
hey, did
Y'all,
y'all see? Man, you still got to get your third one. Remember?
Right.
You gotta get your fourth one, your fifth one.
You got to get your
hey,
third shot.
You locked in now, man.
I got 2 shots. All I had to do was get 2. If I
No,
gotta get a
changed it.
third shot, y'all do too. This ain't just about me.
No, you the one that's in the study.
Right. We going
Nah,
off your.
I only got 2. They done sticking me.
Man.
Man, hey, they said just some protein, so I guess we good.
All right, so this is what I'm talking about. It's called Fear the Walking Dead. What is that?
I don't know.
Fear the Walking Dead.
And then The Walking Dead World Beyond. See, I knew I
See
had
that?
seen some other ones that was talking
Hey,
about. And see, when I looked it up, it seems these things are coming up under the related shows. And then, yeah, spinoffs. Fear the Walking Dead, The Walking Dead
No,
World Beyond, The Walking Dead
but how
Cold
they coming up
Storage.
with spinoffs and The
You're
Walking Dead is still airing right? They still
The
filming
same
it.
way that Tyler Perry did it too. If y'all paid attention, like y'all probably don't watch Tyler Perry stuff, but I was out.
yeah.
I had to work like this was like back in 2019 or something like that. I had to work overnight at some warehouse. And while I was there, I just got hooked. I didn't have anything else to do, so I had my iPad with me and I started watching like videos and stuff like that. So I started watching one show that he had called The Oval. And he had a spin-off of that called Ruthless or something like that come right after that. I mean, like the dude had just came out with The Oval. And while The Oval was in its first season, he already had a spin-off.
Dang.
Hmm.
Hey, spin-offs, the sequels.
So yeah, I'm thinking that like spin-off doesn't even really matter anymore. Like they can just make a spin-off and just say, yeah, now we're going this direction, this way and this way. We got 2 things
Well,
going
I
on.
mean, it's all good to me because we close to ending on the first one, so we just pick up and keep going.
Yeah, most definitely.
Hollywood,
Hey,
they always like to replicate whatever works.
I'm about to say we got the last fast. We got another Fast and the Furious coming out. I think.
It's a
Let
space.
it die. Let it die.
Speaking
Was
of
it
Fast and
Fast 10?
Furious,
I'm not gonna lie. When Paul Walker died, I thought that was it. That's why
yeah,
I really don't even want to
It was
see no more about this. And I mean, I like The Rock, but The Rock ain't got no business. This ain't your series right here. Don't come in here and try to take this over.
well, Paul
Take
Walker
over.
is not there anymore, so he's stepping
Somebody's
in.
got to do it.
He's stepping in. Hey, because I was watching one. What was it? I think it was called Death Race. It was
Oh yeah,
what was it? Fast and the
I
Furious
seen
Death
Death
Race.
Race. They had a race to get out of prison, didn't they?
Yeah.
No, not Death Race. I think this was Fast and the Furious Death Race.
Oh,
Nah,
a
dude, what's up with
spin-off.
you and these
It's a
spin-offs, man?
spin-off, but
Hey, and this one had
You got
DMX
that.
in it, so that's the
You got
reason why
that
I watched
bootleg
it too.
cable.
I was about to say he got that CD-ROM.
Hey, I'm telling you, man. Hey, I got that exclusive over here. I'm watching all that stuff that y'all ain't never
Oh
even
my
heard of.
God.
Hey, y'all boys better quit cutting the cord.
Wait,
oh my god.
What is
they're
you
going
watching
out
over there?
Fast and Furious 10 in 2022.
Yeah, that's what I was
See, I
saying.
knew they
For
was gonna
real.
try to
I
go ahead
thought
and stretch it
9
out to
was the
10.
space one. I thought that was supposed to be the new one.
The space one.
Yeah, one of them they're going to space.
They going
So
Yeah.
they don't know the
Uh-uh.
racing space.
See,
They
Tyrese
racing
and
in
they
them.
done
space.
messed it
Okay.
up.
oh,
That's how they messed up the Power Rangers.
Yeah, Fast and Furious 9 is supposed to be set in space.
Man, I feel like I feel like they're doing I feel like they're doing this like they did Pokemon. They came out with one Pokemon and then they just came out with Pokemon this, Pokemon
Uh,
that, Pokemon this.
that's how they messed up Power Rangers.
They messed
They
all
went
of
to
them up like
space.
that.
Power Rangers, Zeo, and they started going in space
Oh
and
yeah,
stuff.
Exactly.
they did too many.
Dragon
of
Ball
them.
Z,
Yeah.
all that
The
stuff.
last Power Rangers I saw was Power Rangers Turbo. After Turbo, they just started doing all kind of crazy stuff. I'm done with
Bad.
I think Zio was the worst one.
you.
But see, I'm just trying to figure out: are we driving now? They're going to drive Mustangs through space. Like, what are we doing?
They gonna be drifting.
Right.
You can't drive it. You got to fly it.
I'm just trying to figure out why we're going to space. How what is that?
Hey,
Hey, that's the
Because,
new
hey,
frontier.
hint,
People were
hint.
saying, why are we going west? When they colonized the eastern side of the United States, they said, why are we going west? That was the new frontier.
just
Right,
because.
right now, the new frontier is space. That's
Exactly.
what
And
it's
now
Good
we
doing.
got the
analogy.
Space Force. Y'all
And
keep forgetting about the Space Force. The Space Force up there, man. We got to go up
They
there
kicked
and,
it off.
and learn how fast we need to move so that we can get on the intruders that's trying to get us in space.
they're
Dang.
saying
You know?
in the trailer they see a car getting caught mid-air by a futuristic aircraft and a Toyota GT86 being pushed through a building by a magnet.
Okay.
Natural gas.
Now the magnet is
Oh,
realistic.
hey man, we got some breaking news.
What you
What you
got,
got?
man?
Hey, these gas and oil prices, man, shooting out the roof.
Oh,
Shout out to
man.
Biden.
Oh,
He
so you saying
pumping
that oxy, that's usually a good one
the
for
Occidental
Oh, yeah, that
Petroleum.
is a pretty good one.
for oxygen. That thing real volatile. Don't
Hey,
boy.
hey, they had the
We
7 week
got
high.
24
Natural
minutes, and I
gas.
got 2-day trades.
Ooh, you in the game.
Ha.
Yeah.
Man, those tariffs have been. I mean, obviously they're doing something to influence the market.
Yeah. Oh, you talking about the wood tariffs?
Well, I was just talking. I mean, those, but I'm even thinking how this oil and gas and everything is moving.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, we got the market getting set to open pretty soon.
Oh
So
yeah.
what's y'all takes for today? What's y'all picks?
I like Nikolai.
Oh yeah. They making some noise.
Man,
like
yeah,
Nikolai.
I was telling AC yesterday, I thought they were written off, man. I thought they was left for dead, but here they come.
I'm telling you.
Man.
I
What's the
got
ticker symbol for that?
NKLA.
NKLA.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna stay with what we were talking about with what AC just mentioned, those wood tariffs. Lumber, it's COM or no LB1 is what it is. Lumber futures.
That boy thinking about that cum rocket.
Well, we're finna get some movement today.
I can't even take that serious. I mean,
Cannot
how
be
am I gonna go tell my mama, hey, mama, I need you to invest in Cum Rocket? Like
Go buy some cum rocket.
that's the future.
I need you to go buy some cum
See,
rocket
I mean,
right now.
telling people at work to invest and telling people at church to invest
Yeah,
in
exactly.
Cum
You
Rocket.
getting up there. All right, so look, this is a real deal strategy, guys. I need you guys to go invest in cum rocket.
Yeah, you gotta keep a straight face when you say it.
You can't.
They're gonna say, "What is that?" I mean,
Plead fifth.
hey,
Plead
it's
fifth.
explicit.
right.
I mean, if you're gonna buy that, you might as well go buy them Satan shoes.
No, I think you'll
That's
still
the
be
same
okay.
thing.
Satan shoes, nah. I don't think I want the Satan shoes. I'll get a cum rocket before I get Satan shoes.
Then they get some action. But the market's finna move. They finna
Man.
move. They finna
So,
move.
so my pick for today is Skillz. I've been riding that one all week. It came down a little bit yesterday, but AC, who'd you say was buying Skillz?
Kathy Wood.
Other than not only is Kathy Woods buying it, but another important person is buying Skillz.
Let me guess. Is it Lauren Loeffler?
Mm-mm.
Now it's some dude called the Market Prodigy. He been putting out a whole bunch of stuff buying Skillz. So y'all need to follow him.
I already knew
Buy
who he was
Skillz.
gonna say. That's why I ain't even answer. I already knew who you was gonna say.
Hey,
Man,
that thing is volatile, it's down, and it's trending. Go
hey,
get it.
let's get it, man.
Kendall, what you got your eyes on, man?
That's what I was talking about. Those lumber futures. They're up 50%
Yeah.
with those contracts. So
Man,
Yeah,
I
he
mean,
like them old
I take
futures.
anything that's 50% on the year, and especially when now we're starting to get back into building and more commercial construction
Yeah.
and commercial construction. I think it's gonna take off. So
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Infrastructure plan, all these
yeah,
houses being built, all that type stuff. Yeah,
I mean you can see it. The apartment complexes and everything are
yeah,
skyrocketing. So
yeah.
they're putting them out in a couple of months. All it takes. So
exactly.
that's my pick.
I just see
Sure.
this
Raheem, what you got, man?
NASDAQ.
What you got, Pierre?
Man, I'm still doing crypto, man. There's this one called Funfair. So just like AC mentioned earlier, everything's moving to the blockchain. This is a decentralized platform that's specializing in video games. So they
Oh,
want to be like the number one platform for video game on the
okay.
blockchain.
That's
Okay.
straight right there.
Yeah,
Hey, the
that's
game.
pretty good right there. I like that.
Hey, that the video game stuff, that's what's hot. That's what
That's what
skills
skills
is.
is. Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
yeah, skills is that.
Shoot, I was about to say I'm kind of on the same thing with Kenny 4K. You know, with
Okay, Kenny.
you know, he got the lumber, so you know that oil price is shooting up right now.
Yeah.
Oil shooting up right now.
Okay.
So I think I might catch that momentum as well. But I really don't understand how, you know, Biden is for clean energy and saving you know the environment, but he also pushing the oil companies too as much
Well,
as
you know the
possible.
oil companies, they're just energy companies, so they probably gonna reinvent themselves. They got so much money there. Cause you know
Uh,
Exxon has already been
right.
they've been talking about alternative fuels for years now.
You
They
right
they don't
with that
just do
algae or something.
gasoline.
Hey, that's a
But
great point.
let me let
AC.
me let me throw this out here though. What you also got to understand is that while they push you towards clean energy or whatever, but a lot of the machines or the generators out there that may be producing clean energy still run off oil.
And a lot of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh,
you need it to produce the stuff that does not have a carbon footprint.
Right.
Yeah.
exactly. Okay.
Only like truly clean ones that might be like, solar and stuff like that. But
Right.
I
You
mean,
gotta
if you're
have.
not in a place that's great for solar, like Georgia is in a good spot for it, but there are a lot of places that don't have nice access to solar, just like everybody don't have access to wind. Like if you're in the Midwest, like in the plains,
Yeah.
yeah, you got a great infrastructure in place for wind, but wind ain't blowing in South Georgia. The wind ain't
Nah.
blowing in Atlanta.
Nah. Cause if you like you go anywhere north, like that sun is gone. Like
Yeah.
after like especially wintertime and all that stuff. Oh man, you're not getting sun.
In the
Like
Midwest, it snowed this week in April.
oh that's
What?
wild.
It snowed.
And we're down here like sunbathing.
It is cold. It's cold outside though right now though.
Yeah,
It's
it is
cold
pretty
It's,
last
cold
night.
yesterday,
it's
man. It
cold
was
out there.
extremely cold.
Man,
I was
I'm
gonna
out.
try to go
It
fishing
was
this weekend. Well, I'm gonna be freezing.
Yeah, I was about to go outside and do some stuff yesterday, and I was like, man, it's way too cold.
Hey, y'all heard it here first. The gas companies are gonna be the main EV clean energy companies in the future.
The same way as we're talking about all these new
It's
electric
converting over.
vehicle like companies coming up that's making cars, but
Mhm.
we know it's gonna be GM, Mercedes,
Right.
BMW, Volkswagen. These companies are gonna be the ones that win, unless you already had a brand like Apple and Tesla. I
Right.
mean,
Wait. You cannot mention EV without mentioning my number one EV company.
who you like? Ride.
Now,
Who you like?
you know who my day one is. Neo.
Oh
Nah,
yeah,
yeah.
Neo. I forgot about Neo.
Yes, sir.
Now
Hey,
Neo
they
is
creeped
Chinese,
in
and I
now.
feel like Neo will do good.
Hmm.
Hey, I just jumped back in on Neo earlier this week. So
Okay. That's not bad.
I'm excited about that Silverado EV that's gonna come out. Jerome mentioned.
Oh.
Chevy boy.
Yeah, they got the Silverado and the Hummer.
Yeah, the Hummer is coming pretty soon. He can do the crab
Yeah.
walking and all that stuff. I like it.
I saw that video. That was fire.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that was sick.
Man, people fell in love with that Hummer. The only reason it fell off was because of the gas.
Yeah,
But now that you can get the Hummer without having to get killed at the gas pump.
sign me
Oh
up.
man, it's
Everybody's saying
coming.
sign me up.
Same thing with the truck, man. I love me some trucks.
You know, folks driving the armored cars around.
Yep.
Basically.
Tesla truck me.
Mm-hmm. I'm
Yeah,
gonna put
what was that game one that you were talking about?
Yeah, that Cybertruck ain't bad.
It was a. It was. I was looking at Hero as well as another gaming one.
Oh, the game.
Oh, okay.
Roblox. Jerome said Roblox, I think.
Roblox, yeah. Yeah, Roblox is definitely something. I hear a lot of people talking about that. I know a lot of kids are on that too.
Had a couple of ideas.
I'm
Boy.
finna rebalance my portfolio, man. I'm converting over.
That's what I was
Hey,
looking at now, seeing my so I can get some exit strategies out of these free extra
yeah.
capital.
Well,
Yeah,
guys.
man.
It's a good time to dip.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
guys. It seems like we have run our course. So we will go ahead and start closing out the show right now. So we want to encourage everyone that's listening right now to, if you need any type of help or anything like that, or you just want to start a free account with us, head over to hackthemarketstrading.com. That you can do it over there. If you do need any more assistance, we do have subscription services that you can also subscribe to, and we'll get you ready to make some money out here in the markets. Also subscribe to our YouTube as well as our Facebook, Twitter, and pages. All of those. Stay connected with us. And now, I hope you guys can get some money out here like how we doing it.
That's right.
The money's coming out today.
It's
Some
coming
bread
out.
get made.
Make sure you look for the Market Prodigy on Facebook.
I'm on that too,
Uh,
guys. So look for me as well.
Nicola.
Market Oracle. Markets with an S.
Boy.
All right, guys. We'll see you.
All right.